A pollster wishes to estimate the number of left-handed scientists. What size sample should be obtained in order to be 98% confident that the sample proportion will not differ from the true proportion by more than 2%? A previous study indicates the proportion of left-handed scientists is 10%. Round up to the nearest whole number. Okay, again, while there is a formula for this, we're going to use StatCrunch. So we're going to go to Stat. We're talking about proportion stats, so proportion stats. And we have one sample, and we're looking at the width sample size. Okay, so it says 98%, so I'm going to change this to 98. The width, if you're going to miss it, this is probably where it's going to be, so don't miss it. It says plus or minus basically 2%. So that means we have 2% above, 2% below. So that's the margin of error. So I'm going to double that, and I'm going to get 0.04 would be my width. Now, here's another part that you got to pay attention to. If you're using a prior study, we got to put that in. That's the target proportion. It will really help minimize the sample size. So here we need 1,218. Now let's suppose we didn't have that and we left it at 0.5. I would need 3,384. I mean, almost triple the sample size. But because I had a target proportion, if you ever get one, when you're actually doing these, you want to make sure you use it, because it can really save time, money, effort, all that. Oop, got to put that back at 0.04. There we go. So 1218. Hope that helps.